Now for A, this down, that A minus B multiplied by C over D plus E. A minus B multiplied by C, and then the A sub parenthesis D plus E, then it perform the division, B multiplied by C divided by D plus E, then A minus Z. Yes, I believe this is correct. Let's change the color to red. Correct. Ha. Let's go over to the next one. This is C. What is C? A minus B divided by C plus PQ cube over R plus S minus square root of T. All right, we'll handle this side first. A minus B divided by C. When you come across this, when you come across this, it will perform B divided by C first. So this is incorrect. What should we do? That's A minus B divided by C. Yeah? A minus B divided by C. That's how you do that. Plus, now let's move over to the next side. PQ cube. P multiplied by power Q3. Over R plus S minus square root of T. R minus S R plus S, sorry. S minus SQRP P. That closes for that. That closes for that R. That closes for that sign. Now this is C. Okay. We change that to a different color. So we change the color. There you go. Not 2.0, but you see it's cube, isn't it? That's for C. D. We have, there you go, square root of F multiplied by power of G square minus H over K minus J. All right, that is done first, that is done second, then that will be performed. Plus Y divided by Z. Y divided by Z is not here, isn't it? That should be here. Because initially that was after y divided by z. But then again, y divided by z is not part of the square root, isn't it? Yeah?
Yes.
So the closing parenthesis should be at the end of k minus j instead of y over z. What is the problem? What is the problem?
Wait.
Okay, let me give you a hint. Let me give you a hint. Hint number 1, you're using FS for final exam score, but you have not declared that. True?
Yes.
Number 2, of course, for that works for the other variable as well. But then again,
Wait.
you are not. No. This will not work as well. This will not work. This will not work still. You will get 100%. Put any value, you will still get 100%, supposedly. What type of error is this? Logic error. Okay, if you want, we'll try to find some other answers first. Later, we'll compare that to you. Is it all right?
Okay.
Okay. Who's next? Who's next? Can we request Atira to show her screen, please? Atira? No? Can we request Daniel? Daniel, which Daniel?
No, may I?
Yes, please.
All right, but it doesn't work. I don't know why. Wait.
It's okay.
Okay. Mm. Can you see it?
No.
No.
No, you have to show the whole screen.
Okay, wait. Okay. Now?
Yes.
All right.
Right. The order is fine.
Okay.
Yeah. In this case, I find the order is good. You have the input, process, and output. That is very good.
Okay.
My comment is number 1. We're dealing with marks with floating numbers later on because we are going to do division. So instead of using integers, you may want to use float or double, right? Regardless. Number 2. Your calculation is incorrect.
Yeah, I know.
So we'll look for another answer.
All right.
Perhaps you can compare that. By the way, Aman.
Yeah.
Look, this is how coding should look like. First, line number 6. Line number 6, you will declare your variables. Now, starting from line number 8, you start your input. Yeah, you will start your input. Notice we have declared final exam, in final exam. We have declared project on line number 6. Then we can in project. Notice this is for the input. Next come the process. The process is to perform the calculation. Now, despite the calculation is incorrect, but the ordering is correct. So basically in this case, Daniel will only need to fix this part. And finally, we have the output, the I, P, and O. Input, process, and output. Okay?
Alright.
Arman, understand?
Understand.
Okay, let's have a look at another answer. You know, based from experience yesterday, I really wish to see Muhammad Daniel Farhan. Muhammad Daniel Farhan lagi sekali. Can we see, please?
I have a problem with calculation too, sir.
Why? Huh? Why?
Tak tahu macam mana nak kira lagi.
Okay, fine. We'll go with Ifan Hafiz.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Can you show us your work, please?
Saya pun tak lepas kot yang bahagian kira.
Ah,
Tak tengok YouTube.
now I have to delete this. I have to cut this. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, that's what I get. Enter test mark, maximum is 70, I get 59. Enter project mark, maximum is 60, I get 58. Enter final mark, maximum is 100, I get 87. Notice we give hint to the user to enter the marks. Yeah, you get 89.01 marks. All right, that is fine. I'm not showing you that just yet, but let's have a look at. Is it here? No. Is it here? There you go. Now try to understand the question. Let's have a look at the question together. From the user for a student's final exam, project, and test marks. Calculate the total score of the student where a student's total mark is calculated based on 60% of final exam, 25% of project, and 50% of test. Yeah, 60 plus 25 plus 15 equivalent to? Huh? Eh. Class?
100.
100. Nanti. Oh, I forgot to put that. Okay, here we go. Now you get to see me. Okay. When you answer final exam, you get 100%. The total is 60. Yeah. Final exam carries 60% towards the total grade. Project, 25%. And test, 15%. The full marks for the final exam is 100. If and only if you scored 100% in your final, then only you will get 60. If and only if you scored 60 in your project, then only you will get 25. Similarly for test. So, how do you go about calculating this?
X over 100 darab 60.
Okay. Hold on. What is X?
X is the student marks.
Which one? Project, test, or mark? Project.
The first one.
Total. We have 4 variables. We have number 1, we have a test. Number 2,
The first one is final exam.
hold on. Number 1 is test, number 2 is project, number 3 is final, number 4 is total.
Okay.
All right, which one?
So X over 100.
What is X?
The final test.
Final. This. Okay,
Yeah,
final.
So X over 100
Okay.
multiplied by 60.
60.
Right. So that's how you get the final one.
There you go.
For the project, you also the project over 100 multiply by 25, right?
Right.
And for the test is test over 70 multiply by 15. And then you'll get the answer, and then you just plus them, add them. Yeah.
Right. Only that here, instead of 100, it should be
60.
There
Yeah.
you go, 60.
Uh,
So how do you convert that into expression? Final over 100 multiplied by 60. Put the bracket. Similarly, project over 60 multiplied by 25. Test over 70 multiplied by 20. Multiplied by 15, isn't it? Or is it the other way around? Is this, isn't it? Test is 15. There you go. So total equal that plus that plus that. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
that's the
There you go. Question. Does it work now? You get the same answer as me. If you put the same values, will you get the same answer as me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Beside the 0.1, the point and then 0, 1.
Why?
Maybe because I put set precision 2 or yeah, but I didn't get the 0.01. I get 89.
Let me see. Hold on. I'm looking at your work. The one that you did yesterday. Aye. Why are they all the same? Huh? Why are they all the same? Mm-mm. Okay. Can you see?
Yes.
Any question?